Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply blur background in Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be here and go to Chrome extension and just right here, background blur for Google Meet, add to Chrome, add extension. And right now, okay, I have the extension here. And this is what we want, background blur for Google Meet. I'm going to refresh the page now, new meeting, start an instant meeting. Okay, and now you can see blur off, and you can change it. So, but let me start a meeting now. So the meeting is on right now, and right now it's a little bit blurry, but when I should just go here, you can see right here that it's blurred. And of course I got the monitor which is doing really bad mesh up with it, but this is how you can probably do it. This is how you do it, not probably. And this is going to work for you. So again, you go here and you just in left top corner, the blur on, and you can increase it to max, and I'm in a bubble or whatever. So this is how you can blur your background in Google Meet. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. This was really quick, really easy tutorial and educational video. And yeah, peace and be healthy, guys. Eat a lot of vitamin D and eat a lot of fish because they are healthy, and go time to time to swimming pool because swimming is one of the most healthiest sports that you can do. Bye.